So what we take is, here's the standing end, this is the bitter end, no, the playing end. I take a bite, and I take a second bite and put it on top of the first, like so. And then I take my playing end, my working end, and I go from the bottom through the first bite, like this. I then cross over the second bite and pass under my first again, and then I go into this twist, this turn here, like that. See how we came from here, we went under this, over this, under this, over this. Now we go under this and return towards the direction we were coming from, and go, this was the second bite that we drew, we go over that, we go under the first bite, out of this eye here, and that's the complete knot already. It's a bit out of balance, but that's okay. See? And then one could do a second pass, of course, or a couple passes. One could just do the tie off here somewhere. Again, I would probably make use of my sheet bend bowline sort of connection here. Most of the time that's what I'm taking for this occasion, because I love that it shows an eye. Isn't that nice? Oh. Yeah, and this now is the triskelion knot. And if you see, I can, each one of these turns here, like this one that I'm holding, it's being passed by this bite. There's 3 bites in here and 3 turns out there. And what we can do effectively is draw out those turns by drawing close those bites, right? So as I do that, we can see how the knot itself, because of its omnitriangulation, is actually structurally sound. I mean, it's just rope, so it's not like immovable, but that's not the point. This is a structurally sound system, this knot, and we can generate these loops or expand these turns, and this can hold on, of course, to something.